Meaning of cheap. The word cheap usually means low in cost or not expensive. Sometimes, it can also mean low in quality or not valuable. 10 example sentences with cheap. 1. I bought a cheap phone online, and it works perfectly. 2. This shirt was very cheap, only 200 Indian rupees. 3. We stayed in a cheap hotel near the station. 4. Don't go for cheap products, they often break quickly. 5. The market is full of cheap clothes during the sale. 6. He always looks for cheap deals on electronics. 7. The food was cheap but really tasty. 8. I got a cheap flight ticket to Goa last week. 9. These shoes look cheap and won't last long. 10. She prefers quality over cheap items.